How to create a hotspot in Windows 11. If you would like to do this, follow the video steps to learn how. First, open the Start menu. Then open Settings. Here select Network and Internet in the left panel. Click or touch the toggle switch in the box that says Mobile Hotspot. This will enable the mobile hotspot. Click here to expand. Under Network Properties, this will show the network name and password, which you will need to connect to the network. Click on Edit. Now enter the name and the password that you would like to use for your hotspot. OK. Now here let me get a device like a phone. Here let me tap on the Wi-Fi settings. Then let me select the Wi-Fi that we created as a hotspot. Let me enter the password. Then connect. Done, you can see it's connected. So that's how we can create a hotspot from Windows 11. Please, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and even leave a comment. Have a nice time.